welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Cauliflower, that white fluffy ball, we all love it, and it's really healthy because it's low in calories, great for the body, and absolutely delicious. So, in the Arab world, they love it fried. Today's recipe is it's roasted with a little bit of spice to give it like that little kick, and I'm going to teach you a tahini and pomegranate molasses sauce to go with it. We're going to start with the cauliflower. So wash it, cut it into pieces this size, and then we're going to make a sauce marinade for it. So we've got olive oil, salt, ground coriander, turmeric, cumin. I'm just going to give it a nice mix. Remember, always wear gloves. Just give it a nice mix. See, the gloves are yellow. That will be your fingers if you don't wear the gloves. You have to put the cut side down where possible. This is ready. Oven 200 degrees centigrade on fan setting. You're going to bake it 10 minutes this side, then you're going to turn it over for another further 10 minutes or so. Olive oil, garlic. I just want the aroma to release. And here I've got some toasted cumin seed and coriander seed. And the recipe you'll find on the website in the Indian kufta. Once you get all the aromas there, it's ready for pomegranate molasses. Tahini. It's just going to cook until it reaches the boil. See, it's ready. It took literally 30 seconds. And now some yogurt. And the sauce is ready. This is it. The flavor is amazing. I really don't know if this recipe exists anywhere in the world, but it came at the spur of the moment and it just worked perfect with cauliflower. Cauliflower is nice and browned, and this really adds a nice sweetness to it. I'm putting the sauce at the bottom, and then I'm just topping it with the cauliflower. Put a little bit of coriander, and this is my healthy roasted cauliflower with the tahini and pomegranate molasses. The combination is phenomenal. Do try it and let me know.